Shame, shame, shame. Mnangagwa rebukes those attacking ZANU-PF. Sanapenda mashoko buda achakwa nemtukamiri wenyika achiti shame on you to those who are opposing his power. Panguwa ino panchitene his rule. Chokwadi chichibuda pachena kuti people they are now tired. People are now tired of poverty. People they can no longer tolerate this ongoing corruption, panchitene state capture. But at the same time, tunoti mtukamiri wenyika no achiti shame on you. Muruza makutase not for subscriber. Only got on the bell. I continue to Muslim. I am Daniel Chiti. Zambia First Secretary President Mnangagwa delivered a stern warning to critics during the party's 388 ordinary session of the Politburo in Harare on Tuesday. Addressing members, Mnangagwa condemned those he described as undermining national interest and ongoing development projects. Shame, shame, shame on all those who are denigrating our national interest in ongoing people-centered projects and programs, he said. Mnangagwa reaffirmed the party's resilience in the face of criticism. We are ZANU-PF and we will not be deferred. We reject the negative and harmful characterizations of our party and country, Mnangagwa added, emphasizing that the party remains focused on its agenda despite the detractors. Political analysts note that Mnangagwa's remarks reflect a continued strategy to consolidate support within the party while countering opposition narratives ahead of the upcoming ZANU-PF annual conference. Thomas Kwarubuda panguwa ine tukamiri wenyika panguwa ino achisapota aiwa zvinoitwa nezvegananda achiti vese vari kuataka ZANU-PF shame on you. Muri Zimbabwe munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Zvinyatskuratidza kuti these guys they are comfortable kana macitizens achisafa. Havatombooni any difference. They are happy kana vachiona vanhu vachienda kuzvipatara vachinoshayiwa medication, vanhu vachifa, ma-Chinese achiuya achisiya makomba all over the roads, pamwechete nema-mountains nema-sacred shrines. Tuzive mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe, like, chete on the bell icon.